Nature, with numerous beauty of the earth, holds the secret of heaven. To reveal one of the secret, today we are visiting some beautiful places of the country Mauritius by Catamaran Adventure. We are embarking through the azure water of west-south part of Mauritius, starting from Point Jerome of Maheborg to GRSE Waterfall, then from GRSE Waterfall to the beautiful Île aux Cerf Island. So welcome to this breathtaking catamaran journey filled with sun, sea and serenity. Catamaran is a type of boat consisting of two hulls joined by a frame. Catamarans can be sailed or motor-powered. The word catamaran was the invention of a fishing community in the southern coast of Tamil Nadu, India. The word catamaran comes from the Tamil language, in which the word kattumaran means logs bound together. In Mauritius, you can find catamarans in different sizes, designs and styles, from our 30 feet more basic catamarans to very luxurious 60 feet catamarans. The basic catamaran can take 20 to 40 persons aboard depending on the size. The majority of catamarans in Mauritius offer a shaded cockpit area with seating for each passenger and large comfortable trampolines for sunbathing and relaxing. For the convenience of passengers, in addition to toilets and changing rooms, you can also enjoy foods, beverages and snacks all day. As we sail along, there are plenty of activities to keep us entertained, from sunbathing on the trampoline nets to enjoying snorkeling in the crystal clear water. Also, refreshing swim in the open sea. Then we board a small boat for our next adventure to the spectacular GRSE Waterfall, where the Grand River and the sea merge together. We went back to our catamaran for a delicious lunch on the deck. Now we are in our last part of the trip at Île aux Cerf Island. Île aux Cerf, or Deer Island, is named after the Javan deer that populated in the center of the island. But over time, the deer disappeared as they were hunted by settlers. But the name remained, reminding us the island's rich past. This larger island is largely covered with lush vegetations and surrounded by pristine white sand beaches. It has beach restaurant, a wide array of water sports, and one of the world famous golf course with 18 holes. After the spectacular view of this peaceful island, now it's time to go back to our catamaran, where there are some more activities waiting for us, like paragliding, swimming in the deep water for swimmers, dancing on the boat with music. As the day winds down, we are treated to the amazing sunset. After spending this incredible day on the catamaran, it's time for going back. I hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!